Illinois, a state painted with vibrant hues of nature's artistry and etched with the bustling energy of urban life, presents a captivating paradox. Known as the Prairie State, it unfurls with rolling plains, shimmering rivers, and verdant forests, inviting travelers to lose themselves in its tranquil embrace. Yet beneath this picturesque facade lies a stark reality, the plight of homelessness, a shadow cast upon the state's vibrant tapestry. This essay embarks on a journey through the heart of Illinois, exploring its captivating beauty while confronting the harsh realities faced by those without a place to call home. We will delve into the state's iconic landmarks and natural wonders, uncovering the stories etched within their landscapes. Simultaneously, we will shine a light on the forgotten corners where individuals battle homelessness, their struggles often hidden from plain sight. Our exploration seeks to bridge the gap between these contrasting realities, fostering a deeper understanding of Illinois' complexities. Through personal stories of resilience and hope, we aim to inspire action, urging readers to join the collective effort in creating a brighter future for all who call Illinois home. This is a journey of contrasts, where beauty and adversity intertwine, prompting us to reflect on our role in shaping a more just and compassionate society. Venturing beyond the urban sprawls, Illinois unveils a breathtaking tapestry of natural wonders, each stroke a testament to nature's artistry. Towering bluffs overlooking the mighty Mississippi River, their rocky faces whispering tales of ancient times, offer breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Cascading waterfalls, their melodies echoing through dense forests, create serene oases where time seems to stand still. Starved Rock State Park, a crown jewel in Illinois' natural crown, beckons adventurers with its sandstone canyons carved by glacial meltwaters centuries ago. Hikers navigate trails that wind through lush forests, leading to breathtaking overlooks where the Illinois River shimmers below. The park's namesake, Starved Rock, stands as a solemn reminder of the past, its legend intertwined with Native American history. Further south, the Shawnee National Forest unfurls like a verdant tapestry, a sanctuary of towering trees and hidden waterfalls. Here, the sounds of civilization fade into the background, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of birdsong. Hikers and horseback riders traverse its trails, discovering hidden waterfalls and secluded glens where nature reigns supreme. Illinois' natural beauty extends beyond its parks and forests. The state's vast prairies, once home to thundering herds of bison, now offer a glimpse into the past. At Midewin National Tallgrass Prairie, restoration efforts are bringing back this endangered ecosystem, transforming the landscape into a sea of swaying grasses that dance in the wind. While Illinois' natural beauty captivates the soul, its cities pulse with a vibrant energy that draws visitors from around the globe. Chicago, the state's crown jewel, stands as a testament to architectural ingenuity, its skyline a jagged silhouette against the azure sky. Towering skyscrapers, each a marvel of engineering, reflect the city's ambition and drive. A stroll along the Magnificent Mile, Chicago's famed shopping district, is a sensory overload with designer boutiques and upscale department stores vying for attention. Art enthusiasts flock to the Art Institute of Chicago, home to masterpieces by Monet, Picasso, and Van Gogh. And for those seeking panoramic views, a trip to the top of the Willis Tower, once the tallest building in the world, is a must. Beyond Chicago, smaller cities offer their own unique charm. Springfield, the state capital, beckons history buffs with its Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum, a treasure trove of artifacts and documents chronicling the life of the nation's 16th president. Galena, a charming town nestled in the state's northwest corner, enchants visitors with its well-preserved 19th century architecture and quaint shops. No matter where your travels take you in Illinois, you're sure to find a city that resonates with your soul. From the bustling streets of Chicago to the historic charm of Springfield and Galena, Illinois' urban landscapes offer a captivating blend of culture, history, and entertainment. Section 4. Shadows in the Prairie. The face of homelessness in Illinois. Despite its captivating beauty and thriving cities, Illinois grapples with a sobering reality, the plight of homelessness. Behind the gleaming facades and vibrant streetscapes, a growing number of individuals and families struggle to survive without a roof over their heads. The causes of homelessness are complex and multifaceted, ranging from lack of affordable housing and poverty to mental health issues and substance abuse. Statistics paint a grim picture revealing the extent of the crisis. According to the National Alliance to End Homelessness, on any given night in Illinois, thousands of individuals experience homelessness. The problem is particularly acute in major urban centers like Chicago, where shelters overflow and encampments dot the cityscape. The faces of homelessness in Illinois are diverse, encompassing individuals from all walks of life. Veterans who once served their country now find themselves without a place to call home. Families torn apart by economic hardship struggle to provide for their children. And individuals battling mental illness or addiction often find themselves on the streets, their cries for help going unanswered. The consequences of homelessness are dire, impacting not only those experiencing it but also the wider community. Homelessness can lead to increased vulnerability to crime, health problems, and social isolation. It also places a strain on public resources including healthcare systems, law enforcement, and social services. In the midst of hardship, stories of personal struggles and resilience emerge. Each individual experiencing homelessness has a unique story, often marked by moments of despair and hope. Many have faced unimaginable challenges, yet they continue to persevere. Their resilience is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure even the harshest of circumstances. These personal narratives remind us that behind every statistic is a person with dreams, aspirations, and the potential for a better future. Fortunately, there are numerous initiatives aimed at combating homelessness in Illinois. Nonprofit organizations, community groups, and government agencies are working tirelessly to provide support and resources to those in need. From emergency shelters and transitional housing programs to job training and mental health services, these initiatives strive to address the root causes of homelessness and offer pathways to stability. Innovative approaches such as Housing First programs prioritize providing permanent housing as a foundation for individuals to rebuild their lives. By addressing immediate needs and offering long-term solutions, these efforts are making a tangible difference in the lives of many. Bridging the gap between Illinois' beauty and compassion requires a collective effort. It calls for a commitment from all sectors of society to address homelessness with empathy and action. By raising awareness, advocating for policy changes, and supporting local initiatives, we can work towards a future where everyone has a place to call home. Together, we can ensure that the state's natural beauty is matched by the strength of its community spirit, creating a more inclusive and compassionate Illinois for all. Hello, this video is made by AZ. I am from one of the great royal families in Iran, historically known as Persia. Persia, has contributed many beautiful things to civilization, from the European and American constitutions to the halo on top of Jesus' head. 2,500 years ago, King Cyrus the Great brought the first human rights charter and freed the Jews from Babylon. Jews lived in Iran, Persia, for 2,700 years. My royal family hails from the same area that Cyrus was from. We brought freedom and constitution to Iran but did not take all the kingdom. Later, to steal oil from our land by order of England, the puppet king jailed or killed my family and other heroes. Since then, humanity has been lost in Iran for 100 years. For the past 44 years, as a freelance commentator on the radio, and by sending 5,000 messages on Yahoo and YouTube, I have been telling Iranian Americans to try to heal their two countries. 2,500 years ago, Cyrus the Great freed the Jews, and the Jewish holy book says Persian King Cyrus is the Jews' Messiah. Jews lived in Iran for 2,700 years, and when Islam came to Iran, Iranian people took the best parts of Islam and added them to their culture. Islam teaches that Jesus and Moses are messengers of God, which is why throughout history, Muslim people have treated Jews and others better. As our government reports say, American Muslims are some of the most civilized people in the U.S. In 1981, America and Israel tricked Saddam Hussein into attacking Iran, promising him an oil-rich state. When he invaded Iran, they supplied arms and intelligence to both sides, keeping the war going for 8 years. Millions of Iranians were killed or injured, and trillions of dollars in damage were done. Meanwhile, Israel and U.S. arms dealers profited more than $500 billion, a truth rarely told by mainstream media. Only a few platforms like YouTube shed light on these events. My message is, be a part-time hero, and try to make a better world where everyone can live in peace. To help humanity, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and call our representatives to pay damages directly to Iranians who were hurt, not the government.